Namaste learners. In today's class we are going to discuss that what is the definition of principle of mathematical induction. Means be ready to understand a very specific concept of algebra of your UG level, that what is principle of mathematical induction. For that you should know that there is a Peano's axiom. There is a Peano's axiom. Peano strophes, Peano's axiom. So what is principle of mathematical induction? For that, let us write, please, let Pn be a, write like this, let Pn, this Pn be a statement. Please write, let Pn be a statement or proposition that is true for n is equal to 1. This statement is true for n is equal to n. N is equal to 1. And after that, when we suppose that this statement is true for n is equal to n, then automatically this implies that this becomes true for n is equal to m plus 1. Right? Means you are writing, this is actually, this is Peano's, this is Peano's axiom. Right? This is Peano's axiom. Peano strophes AXIOM, Peano's axiom. This is Peano's axiom. But Peano's axiom says, Peano is the name of a mathematician, scientist. Let Pn be a statement. Again I am repeating. Let Pn be a statement that is true for n is equal to 1. Let Pn be a statement that is true for n is equal to 1. Then, after considering this statement as true for n is equal to m, it automatically becomes true for n is equal to m plus 1. If like is the scenario, then it is supposed that this Pn is true for all values, all natural values of n. This Pn is supposed to be true for all natural values of n. Right? This is called principle of mathematical induction. Means this is actually, this is PMI. This is PMI. I hope you have got that what is principle of mathematical induction or what is Peano's axiom. With the help of this concept, we can check or we can verify any algebraic relation, that whether that is true or not true. Thank you for listening and enjoying this lecture. Thanks a lot. Next part of principle of mathematical induction we shall learn in the next class.